My name is Frank Schrage. I'm the sales director for Eurotruss. What makes a good truss is basically not the right question. The question is, who makes a good truss? Eurotruss makes a good truss. We do everything according to the rules, the norms, quality value, welder certification. We have a great team of welders, all certified according to the required norms. From history, we started with a 2 mil main tube. We grew up to a 3 mil main tube. Then we grew up into a bigger size. So of course, but that all happens throughout the years. So. When people are asking us if two brands fit together, sometimes that is possible, but fitting together doesn't mean that they have the same static value. So it's always up to the user to respect the static values of the truss. So in general, we always say don't mix two different truss brands with each other, because it makes it very hard to verify also the static value of it. From a product perspective, black powder coated truss is becoming more and more the standard. I think 30% of the orders that we are doing nowadays is delivered with black powder coating. So that is a trend from a product perspective. Another trend from product perspective is LED truss. So the truss with the middle pipe in it for, of course, rigging LED systems. The LED truss that we have is able to combine with HD34 and HD44, so you can basically integrate. An SR20, multifunctional for many occasions, easy to go along with, but you can judge. But yeah, in the end, you can identify with many roof systems. I can say that I can identify with a PR15 because it's strong and because it's big. Well, I'm not big, so I cannot identify with PR15. So then I have to go like, I'm only a small guy. So then I have to identify with maybe with a tunnel roof, which is beautifully shaped, round, but also has a lot of components that you can use from the standard range. So like an HD34 tunnel roof, you can use a lot of straight HD34 3 meters. An HD44 tunnel roof, you can use your standard HD44 3 meters. And you just have to add the special components to make the round shape, and you have a beautiful tunnel roof. And I think especially in the Middle East area, that would be a beautiful roof for bigger and smaller events. You have people that do relatively small, a lot of small events, and then, for example, a round-shaped arc roof, an AR10, an AR20. They are perfect for smaller to mid-size events that you can build up and break down easily. Saddle roofs, the classic saddle roof, basically same story. If you go for SR10, SR20 for multiple events, which you basically do like maybe 20 times a year, the perfect system. And if you go into the bigger structures, like in the SR series, SR30, 40, 50, then you already are growing into bigger events. And then the next series is the pitch roofs. And those are really for the bigger touring companies. Both products have their own advantages, disadvantages. We always see them as complementary, especially when we are talking about the stage constructions, which we always use scaffolding for in combination with the roof systems. The flooring is scaffolding. Eurotruss developed what we call a ballast safe, which is an integration into the scaffolding system, where you can put the roof system on top of it, which immediately allows you to have the scaffolding as your first ballast, because it weighs quite a lot. So it reduces the requirement of ballast when you are building your roof on scaffolding. So we really see them as complementary with a lot of advantages, especially in roof systems. Everything starts with a plan, and the plan always comes from the client. So the client is the one with the creative ideas. We, as a manufacturing company, we're not so creative people, but we know how to convert the idea from the client into a trussing solution. The team at Procom, the technical team at Procom also knows how to do this. So if somebody comes up with an idea, they know how to convert the idea into a plan using the right truss product for their needs. So that's how we turn ideas into solutions. Basically, that's the only thing that we do. And Procom is a big part of the solution by turning the idea into the solution and then being able to provide it from their stock. Procom as a company is one of a kind. They are one of our most valued distributors in the world because they really respect and understand the role of a distributor. If you look at the stock level within the company, if you look at the team in the office, technical support, sales support, and once again, the amount of material that they are able to deliver from stock, that's unique. That's unique. Yeah, like I said, one of a kind.